Welcome back. Tourist inflow in Goa has seen enormous rise during monsoon. Most of the tourists are seen swimming at Aaungaa. Aaungaa is considered as a danger belt and tourists are advised not to swim. But many tourists do not listen to the lifeguards and threaten them. People in Aaungaa have requested the government to impose notice boards cautioning the tourists.
Although it's an end of the tourist season in Goa, tourists across India cannot avoid the temptation of visiting Goa. Monsoon season doesn't deter the tourists from enjoying their holidays in the state. This is the famous beach of Aaungaa. Tourists enjoy in Aaungaa, but it is a danger zone for swimming, especially during the monsoon season. Various cases are being reported of drowning and accidents in Aaungaa. The lifeguards say the tourists do not listen to the warning from them and in turn threaten them.
पण पर्यटक काय त्यांच्या धुंदीत येतात आम्हालाच उलट सांगतात तुम्ही शांत राहा थांबा आज सी तसं नॉर्मल आहे पण हाय टाईडला तो स्पॉट जो आहे तो कायम डेंजर आहे लो टाईड असून ते हाय टाईड असून तिकडे गेल्यानंतर माणूस कळत नाही पाणी वर मारतं धावपळ झाल्यावरती कुठेतरी खाशीत पाय अडकून घेतो आणि पडतो
लोकांना जरी कितले सांगले तरी लोक मासे ऐकतले पडतो आम्ही सांगून फाटल्याने येयले का पडते असले देवता सांगलेले ऐकत ना.
However, the locals of Aaungaa feel that there should be a board mentioning prohibition on swimming.
टुरिस्ट लोक येतात पण त्या गायडाचे कांयच आयकना डायरेक्ट उदकान धांवतात त्या ब्लॉकाचेर ते तर तेंची एक्शन घेवपाची आनी ते बोर्ड बी लावन घेवपाचो डेंजर बोर्ड.
Many lifeguards across Goa have complained of this problem even in the past. They are more concerned now as the danger level is much higher during rainy season. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
It was a filmy style robbery in Mapusa on Friday night. Some robbers ransacked 7 shops from 2 apartments from the same area. Offices of 3 advocates, 2 flats, 2 workshops were robbed. The robbers fled with cash, papers, files and tools. They also left a note in some offices saying, "मैं फिर आऊंगा."
किती शॉपा जोडली
4 शॉपा तोडले लॉकर तोडपाचो हे केलो प्रयत्न केलो
तुमची किती हे लागले
किती बारीक बारीक किती असले शॉपान ते वेला
एक ही सेल्फ आणलेली ती येला माझी आणि क्लायंटान चेक दिलेले क्रॉसचेही येला आणि LIC पॉलिसीज येला त्यांच्यानी ते आता किती होतला
काय वरून ना पण लॉकच मोडला
लॉक मोडला आणि ओपन करून
दवरला
पैसे झाले म्हणजे आणि काय
कितले
15,000 असले 15 आणि काय 2-3 रुपये काढलेले राहते.
Offices of 3 advocates were also robbed. Files and checks from the offices were destroyed. They also fled with cash. The robbers even shared in the offices of the lawyers.
My office was broken, and when I came, I saw all my drawers open and locks broken. The door of the latch of my office door was also broken, and amount of 47,000 have been robbed. 45,000 is of my client and 2,000 was my money.
आमचे फायली टोन केले कोर्ट फायल कोर्टाचो एक डिमांड हे आसलो ते फिक्स डिपॉझिट कोर्टाचे मारलो तो पिजून उडयलो दुसरे बँक बूक पिजून उडयले आनी फायल्स पिजून उडयले सगळे आनी चॅक्स आनी 4,000 रुपया असले ते येले.
People feel that the robbers had thoroughly prepared themselves for the heist. Police are investigating into the case. The dog squad was pressed into the service and fingerprints are sent for examination. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Goa government has decided to impose toll tax for use of old forest roads existing prior to 1980. According to a notification, every vehicle will be charged to use forest roads.
After introduction of entry fee for vehicles entering in the state, now Goa government has decided to charge toll tax to use old forest roads. Government has fixed rates for use of forest roads by different agencies. ₹25 per running meter per month for public institutions for public purpose. ₹5 per running meter per month for Kankona and Valpoi municipal councils for waste disposal as these projects are in public interest. ₹200 per running meter per return trip for vehicle up to 10.5 ton goods loaded in it for a distance of less than 1 kilometer. This notification has come into force with immediate effect. A reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.